the movie news. This is toys from the toy fair. So make sure to, after this video, just go onto the toy fair thing, which gives you all the toys in the actual toy fair. So, yeah, be sure to check that out after this video. Anyway, first we have Tempest Shadow as a toy. Have you noticed she's got a Storm King symbol on her armor? What? Does that mean she's turning against us? Oh my gosh. Heck no! Sorry. Oh my gosh. I thought she was going to help the main six. What's the big idea? I thought you were helping people. What a bad person you've turned out to be. Wait, you're not a person, you're a pony. My bad. Anyway, let's go down to see the other toys. Okay, so here we have Princess Skystar, the merpony. Princess of Sea, lives in the Coral Castle. But this got me really confused. Why not something else? I mean, she looks pretty as a sea pony and everything, but would you want a different one? I mean, I want the sea ponies to come out because I've been waiting for them. But having a princess? Don't you think you should just have a queen if there's going to be Queen Nova, or just a princess or something? Well, I don't really get it. This is really confusing. Like, really confusing. Okay, guys. Yeah. Settled. Wait, is it settled? Settled? Anyway, moving on, we have got... We've got Songbird Serenade. And this got me thinking, why did it come out sooner? I mean, where did the pony even live? Is it newborn and then grows up magically? I do not know, which is why I want answers to these questions right now, because is she going to live outside of Equestria and then the main six meet her? What's the big idea? Oh my gosh. I don't know. It's really annoying me because I have no idea. But does that mean she's going to turn against us too? Heck no! Anyway, I have a couple of questions about this pony. She sort of deserves to be a sea pony a bit more than Queen Nova does. Queen Nova looks more like an earth pony, and that's like an earth one, not just like earth pony like Applejack. Because I thought she was going to be a four-legged pony at first when I saw her, but she turned out to be a sea pony when I did my video on second halves of it. I really don't see what the big idea is. Okay. Let me know what in the comments down below what you think about this, about these character designs of the toys. Which one? And let me know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next.